Yo guys, what's up? I just began doing my 5th track in this sort of type orchestral pop future bass vibe. And I kind of want to show you my process from the beginning to the end. I already have a little bit over here, so I'm gonna divide this into parts, and in this video I'm gonna tackle the intro phase and the verse phase, and then I'll tackle the build and drop in another video. So this is what I have for now.
I know that you're not. Why do you think that better with you? Much better with you, much better with you. I don't love you, I don't love you more, love you more. I haven't let you go.
So it's still kind of dry, and vocals are out of sync as well. So I just began doing this a couple minutes ago. I kind of just copy pasted a little bit of the stuff, and now we're gonna focus on the intro and then the verse. So let's get started. So here on the orchestral vibe, I kind of got this. Let's mute the vocal for now. Let's just focus on the intro section. Just take some lows. Let's go on space. Let's bring out the mix. Really far behind on the mix. Just chaotic right now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and organize, and I'll see you. So we're back. So I got my strings, my vocal group, my drum bass, my FX group, and I still have a couple instruments over here which I'll layer them and add to their own bus, I believe. For now, let's just stick with the intro part. So I kind of just added some impacts and some ambience on the same key, and that's a rain effect, just to give it a little more presence. So I got something right here that could be interesting. So I believe it's in orchestral strings and harp. Now let's try to copy that just to see what we have. Still a little bit weak. Let's cut the lows. Let's boost the mid frequency around there. So let's add an OTT. Maybe. Okay, let's give it orchestral maybe. Sounds good. So let's go on harp and let's copy. Much more color. Let's get a so let's get some reverb and an OTT around the strings, around 30 as well, just to boost it. Let's cut down a little bit of it. Okay, this sounds good for now. So let's bring out some violins in order to follow the vocals. So let's just turn on the vocals.
Much better with you.
Right, this sounds good. So I'm gonna a little bit boost up. So it's gonna be 2, 1.
With you, much better with you. I don't love you, I don't love you more.
So it's not bad. So let me just add a punch to the drum bus threshold. Like
I don't love you, I don't love you more.
better snare samples. So let's see. Drums. Let's put it as open clap.
I don't
There. Here. This. That.
love you more, love you more. I haven't let you, I don't.
Sads. Again, the ambient sounds over there. Just gonna copy paste that. Something easy, something simple, and we're gonna get the Peks as well. And maybe some lower impacts. We need more color since it's still a little bit dry. So this works totally. And we're gonna go on that. And gonna give it a very nice reverb on it. Plenty of decay, big size.
I don't with you, much better with you. I don't love you, I don't love you more. I have
Just get the guitar. Okay, we now have something. Let's just copy this for now. So for the vocals, let's just give it 2 compressors. So usually I just do this. I just come here, get the C2 on up front, and I apply another preset, which is the DS one. It's kind of like that. And what I do is usually I come here on the lead vocal, and I kind of just low cut around there, and I just push that as mid-range here, and I might cut a little bit here on the sides.
you think that you're right.
What you could do as well for the double vocals is get the same vocal over there and just make that unique. I'm gonna say double, because sometimes if you have double harmonies and other samples, it's easier to work, but if you just have one vocal, you can do this. So I kind of did that, and now I'm going to get a new mixer for it. So like that, vocal group. I'm gonna put the lead on mono. I'm gonna put the chorus on stereo, and I'm just gonna cut everything up till the middle point and just open the high end because I want the air in the chorus.
You think that you're right. I know that you're not.
And also do I love this plugin, which is to alter the pitch. So you can go on transpose and get the pitch up and just get a little bit of the drive and the wet signal. So
Do you think that I'm better with you? Much better with you, much better with you.
kind of works. Could be worse. The tambourine is still too loud compared to the rest. So I'm gonna just reduce that and get a little bit more of that delay on.
You think that you're right.
Right, that's it for this part. I still gonna change a little bit things in the next video maybe, but I will still continue with the builds. It's important that you get your creative process out of the way and you don't be technically boggled down by the mixing techniques. So just do a little bit of the mixing, don't focus much on it. Just try to complete the track as you go, and then you'll decide what you do in the mix, right? So stay tuned for the next one.